Hari Om. This is first of a series of videos on Kundalini Yoga. Before we proceed any further, let me clear some doubts, misgivings and fears surrounding Kundalini Yoga. And this is exactly what I have done in my book. As you can see, it is titled Kundalini Yoga for All. Because many think that this practice is not meant for all. I have cleared this doubt in just one sentence in the very introduction to the book. Kundalini Yoga is for all because Kundalini Shakti resides in all. So, if you have been given this Kundalini energy, this primordial energy, then definitely you have every right to explore, to awaken it. So stay with me and progress slowly but steadily to the higher and higher levels of exploring this primordial energy and your full potential through Kundalini Yoga. Hari Om Tat Sat.